Welcome back, creators. My name is Ralph, and I am S3D Printing and Engraving. I made this chess/checkered board. Used walnut wood for it. Came out great. I gave it a little polyurethane coat on it, spray. I made it for a Christmas gift for my nephew. He loves it. So I made another one. This was the prototype. I always make something smaller before I make it bigger, just see how it comes out and get all my settings correct. Please like and subscribe, and we'll get to it. Bring it to LightBurn and show you how it's made. Thank you. All right, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to frame it out. We'll go 400 by 400. And we'll center it. Next thing I want to do is add a border around it. We'll go ahead and create an offset. We'll go inwards 10. And we'll just go ahead and combine these two for now. Group them together. All right, the next thing we'll do, we'll go ahead and create squares for it. Since this is a 400 by 400 and we want 10 millimeters in, if we were to go ahead and let me ungroup this real fast and show you. If we were to look at this inside, it's 380. Let me group them back together, just get them in the way. So 380, chessboard is 8 by 8. So we'll take 380 and divide it by 8, which comes out to 437.5 millimeters. So we'll create a square. We'll make it 47.5 by 47.5. We'll go ahead and select. We'll go ahead and ungroup it again. We'll take our 47.5. Make sure it's unlocked next time we do that. We'll take our 47.5. Take the inner. We'll position it left and top. Go ahead, select the square again. We'll create an array. So X columns we want 8 across. Spacing is 47.5. 0 shift, just like that. And rows, we're going to have 8 rows. Of course, the rows went upwards. We'll go ahead and reverse the direction. Oops, I had 9 rows. It's 8 rows. 8 rows, reverse the direction. There we go. It's all filled in. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and fill in every other square and make it on a different layer. There we have it. quick, simple chessboard. We'll go ahead and cut this one out real fast. And I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just gonna I'm gonna do it on a piece of walnut. And you're gonna have to test on how that, you really don't want to dig into the board. You kind of just want to strip off the layer to give it some color. And I'll look at my settings and I'll go ahead and set that up, cut it, and I'll show you the picture when it's done. Thanks for watching. All right, so I hope you found that useful. Just one more closer look at it. Sorry about the glare. Not much more I can do about that, but I am going to come up with probably some checker pieces and chess pieces I'll cut out or 3D print. Not sure yet. Got so much going on right now. The printer's going right now. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I do appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.